teachers like us and the students. So it's been a beautiful journey. So CBSE, I'm glad that it's not a state board school. You are affiliated with CBSE. So the ball is set rolling already for you people, and there is everything laid in the plate now. It's only that you have to pick it up at the right time and work around it. So this is not something which Jyoti ma'am and I are advocating. It is supported by law, and I will not go into details about it. And this extract is not written by me, but there is a handbook on inclusive education by CBSE. I have picked it up from there, and I will be dropping it with ma'am here, because that is something comprehensive in nature and complete for you people to follow it up later. Okay, so we all agree that this is the need of the hour. Square pegs को round pegs नहीं बनाना है और सिस्टम को चेंज करना है. अब सिस्टम को अगर हमें चेंज करना है और अपने स्कूल को रेडी करना है, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले the journey has to start with us, because each one of you is responsible for this journey. So here, this is an inclusive education school model, right? And this is, trust me, this is not something which will happen overnight. It's a long process, right? So all this will be the vision of the school, the mission of the school, and slowly you will be progressing towards it. So this is an ideal inclusive education school where there are equal opportunities and children are participating. Nobody is wearing that first mask, and nobody is being offered the same khana. Okay, so we have changed the recipes. Different dishes बनाकर हमने बच्चों के लिए रखी हुई है, and that is what an inclusive model is like. So here there are various models. This is inclusion, this is exclusion, where the children are outside. Different school, NGO देख लेगा, special needs school देख लेगा. अपने ही स्कूल में maybe we can have a separate section, a cell, that okay, all these children will study there, and all the round pegs will study here and the square pegs will study there, which is wrong. Okay, and this is again integration. So many schools go in either for inclusion, which is the ultimate thing, but they start with integration. ठीक है, इंटीग्रेशन एक स्लो स्टेप होता है जिसमें बच्चों को लिया